Hello cuties, and myself Anushka Temkar, and today I just thought I was just studying some while ago, and I just went to it that there are lots of teens here on this platform, and what's what's the emotions our teens are feeling are all about that, all about teenagers. It's like I am a teenager now, and see मैं बढ़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मुझे कुछ ये नहीं है, but it becomes really tough to think about everything, to think the fear कि future में जो हमने सोचा है वो होगा कि नहीं होगा, and also some teenagers do have some their past traumas, so there are lots of things then present, अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, अच्छा चल रहा है, and there are lots of stories here. And I then thought that let's write a books on it, because I nowadays watch lots of teenager, and I myself, I am a teenager. So I was like, let's do it, and let's do it. Like, actually. So yeah, I'll be doing this, and मैं consistent नहीं रहूँगी because I want to be consistent in my studies. So I could not. I do feel sad about it that I could not be consistent in making some videos about lots of things. I could not edit the best version I can. I could not give the specific time I should give, and that could be only because I want to study hard just now, and I am having my exam coming up, which is JEE 2026, and I want to really work hard for it. But still, I am like, why can't I speak what I feel? Like, ठीक है, मुझे एडिटिंग में टाइम लगता है. पॉइंट नंबर वन, मुझे एडिटिंग में टाइम लगता है. So I do have time. That's not I don't have a time. I do have time, but that time is usually for studies, and I do take time because I'm a learner. So I do take time in editing stuff. It's not like that I haven't learned. I have learned a lot. Not a lot, but okay, minimal. And yeah, but the thing is, I could not edit lots of videos. I have lots of videos that are out, but I cannot edit them. I could not give the best I could do in that video to attract YouTube things and all that platforms. But still, I would be yapping. I would be yapping about my life. I love yapping, okay? When I was small, lots of people used to call me parrot, and I was that one person. I was accepted, like, yeah, okay, I am a parrot. Because sometimes I love to speak, and that's not. Obviously, I've improved lots of myself, like now I think and speak, sometimes this, that, but still, I love to speak a lot, and a lot. So, yeah, and I felt that some some would be similar to me, some would not be. That's fine, but I am the one who loves yapping. I'm the one who loves to speak a lot, and a lot. So yeah, now I'll be posting the videos, how I feel, how I do, what I do, and I don't know, till 6, 7, 8 months I'm not gonna do editing. I'm not gonna think lots for captions. I'm not gonna think lots for title. I'm not gonna do lots for attracting subscribers. But I will just be making my life journey, my emotions journey. And if you want to hear it, you can surely subscribe, like and share. And let me introduce, introduction should be always first, but I'm giving it last. It's fine. Myself, Anushka Temkar. I am in 12th standard now, and I'm in Pune. Lots of people know Pune very well in Maharashtra. And मला मराठी खूप छान येते, मला इंग्लिश पण खूप छान येते, हिंदी थोडी इकडे तिकडे होते. And literally, I am the only one person who has bought Hindi. Like, lots of people bring Hindi to English dictionary. I have bought English to Hindi dictionary. So I know very well English, but Hindi थोड़ी यहाँ वहाँ हो जाती है. So I have bought literally Hindi to English dictionary. I will show you there. And literally, like, this is my dictionary. Wait a moment, I'll show you. So this is my dictionary, which is Hindi to English, like literally Hindi to English dictionary I have took. And because I really I really wanted to improve my Hindi. I know how to speak Hindi, but lots of vocabs, like in vocabulary I literally fail somewhere. And I really want to speak North Indian Hindi. Like I don't like tere ko mere ko. Like okay, it's fine if someone is speaking, but I don't want to speak that kind of Hindi. I want to speak like aapko, mujhe, that kind of, like I really love that Hindi. I'm so in love when that's once anyone speaks that Hindi. I'm like, oh God, I want to learn this. I want to speak this one, and yeah. So I'm gonna try my best to learn this. But surely join me. Okay, bye bye. Anushka here, signing off. Bye bye.